Hello YouTube, how we doing today? I'm Michael with Blue Phase Plus. Thanks you guys for tuning in. I just got a little review video or a quick unboxing video for you guys today. The TC View by Top Done. It is a thermal imaging camera. Basically it gives you thermal imaging. There's multiple different uses you can use this for. For me, what I plan on doing, I am an electrician with Blue Phase Electric in Palm Beach County, and I serve Palm Beach County and Broward County. So when I go up to a lot of my service calls, I want to bring this to some of my jobs so I can do inspections on your electrical panels to see if there's any overheating or burning up with your conductors or the wires, just to make sure you don't have any potential fire hazards that can harm you or your family or your property. So I've got this for work purposes, and I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. It's about a $300 camera. It just goes onto your cell phone. I even bought these adapters because mine's a Droid, so it basically extends. There's been a lot of complaints where with the case it won't fit, so I went ahead and got some of those. So just go ahead and start opening this up for you guys, and probably download the app and see if I can do a quick thermal on my electrical, or see what it kind of looks like. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get this thing cut in. What we got. So you guys kind of read the back if you guys. IR camera, real-time waveform, compatible with Windows, Android, temperature, abnormal alarm, testable temp range, customizable imaging, optimization. There we go, let's see what we've got. Alright, so looks like it comes with a nice little case. That's cool. Nice little case. Get it on Google Play, so I'm going to go ahead and download that too real quick. Just a general setup here. So right out of the case. Alright, so it gives you charging cable, nice little cleaning cloth. That's pretty cool. I like the case because that way you didn't go to damage it. So, and that's kind of it right there. TC View plugs right into the bottom of your cell phone. I'll see if it'll fit in there. Yeah, see, it seems like it might be in there, but it's a little loose. So I got these. And I made sure to get the ones with like the copper, or at least that way they're a little bit better. My plan was to just pop this on here, just like this, click in, and then click in. So obviously you'd have it face the other way, most likely. That way you can use your screen and the camera. So I'm going to go ahead and download this app, and then I will see if I can't test out a thermal image for you guys. Alrighty guys, real quick, this is actually the importing cable that you can use to import into your PC. I went ahead and downloaded the app. Let me show you what that looks like real quick. Right here. TC01, so you go ahead and you get that app. But real quick, just want to show you on a job what I dealt with this. So there was a customer, and his panel looked like this, and he sent me over a thermal image, and it looked like that. So by looking at this picture here, you can see it was getting really hot right here. It actually got so hot to the point the conductors were melting. The bus was overheating. He was getting a temperature of supposed 630 degrees Fahrenheit, which to me just sounds like, how is this not melting? So that's kind of what it looks like without the thermal, and then with the thermal. This is obviously a higher grade thermal, but let me show you again what mine kind of looked like. I took a quick picture of my panel. I'll do a quick little walk in there so you guys can kind of see what it looks like with this thermal. But yeah, it's pretty wild. Alright guys, don't mind the darkness here. I'm going to pull out the phone, click on the app, thermal imaging, and I don't know if it's kind of for you guys to see on this camera. It's probably quite difficult, but you could just it's completely dark in here, so the thermal is actually showing the heat. Like, that's my dryer right there, so that thing is literally lit up. Then here is my panel, so I'll go ahead and open that up. And then kind of what you see here, kind of hard to see, but you see a couple of the breakers in there are hot. The temperatures are 27 C, and it looks like 35, which is okay, you know. That's actually my AC, my hot water heater, so it's not, you know, don't get worried if you see that on yours. But if you're getting some really high temperature ratings, and if you were to like put your finger on there and it'd be really hot to where it could burn you, then that could be a point of a hazard. But that's why I said I'd, you know, wanted to show you guys this camera, so that way if you guys are concerned with anything at your home, I can do service call to come out and investigate and look it over. So that's kind of the purpose of this. Give a little bit of information, talk about the camera a little bit, but let me go ahead and back out of this. Oh, and check this out. If you guys can see, those are my footprints. That is wild. So you can definitely have some fun, and you can see my electrical switch is even getting a little warm over there, saying my electrical switch is at like 33, which, you know, nothing crazy. Got some appliances over here, you know, it's gonna put off some heat. But that dryer though, glowing 40 degrees, 44, it looks like the hottest, which is alright. But that's pretty cool. So as of right now, I'm pretty happy with this thing. Well guys, that's my video, the unboxing of the Tap-On TC View, Tap-Don. And overall, man, I think it's pretty cool. Go ahead, if it's something you guys want, get one. Try it out at home. Do not go and open up any electrical equipment or anything like that. Don't get crazy. Call an electrician, licensed electrician, come out and help you guys if you have any electrical issues. But overall, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below. If you haven't seen my channel, check it out. Blueface Plus, like, subscribe. I thank you guys. I appreciate giving you this time and sticking with it. But take care, guys. You have a great day, and God bless.